Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I go on an 11 out of 10 date to show you some skills. Cue the intro. So in this episode, I take you on an 11 out of 10 date. Now I've been using a really cool app called Zinder for Z-grade celebrities like myself. It's very much like Tinder, but it's for Z-grade celebrities. And of course, I've not added and put things in the profile to make myself sound absolutely awesome at all in any way. But it's one of those apps, again, you swipe left and swipe right, and somebody swiped the right way that I got a match. So I'm going to take you with me on my 11 out of 10 date and show you the skills that you need to be able to attract any woman that you want in the entire world. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy this nuts crazy episode.
Could we ever change this song into something beautiful, like the beauty that we've seen? I'm asking your lover, why do you have to be so mean? And as we go, let's get close, don't fool me. You're the only one who sees right through me. And when I call you on my knees, I'm asking your lover, we can do better than this. I know I can do better if we could only find a way.
How you doing?
Tell me, darling, do you ever think of me that way? Just want you to hold me closer than ever. Let's get to the sad lonely road to emptiness. And why don't you hold me? Please.
I'm alright. I'm just waiting for a guy with a Harley.
I might have misspelt that. It's a Honda, begins with a H, so it's all good, yeah?
You have got a Harley though?
Yeah, I've got a Harley at home, but I've just brought the Honda today because of the weather. But I bought some Fizz, is that alright? Do you want to jump on, we'll go for a spin?
Yeah, okay, great.
So where I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you to what basically is my family estate. Now obviously when you read my profile you could see that I'm a lord.
Yeah.
and obviously my great granddad, Lord Head, he bought this piece of land many years ago.
Okay.
And it's very nice, and I just thought we'd go there for a very, you know, posh, top-notch picnic for me to woo you with.
Oh, great. That sounds really good. So you're like old money.
Well, I'm not old. It's quite clean money. Like, it's not like falling apart and got like holes in it.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
No, I'm looking forward to it. It sounds amazing. And we'll go inside and have a look, yeah?
Well, the only problem with it is that we've got large woodworms, like ginormous ones, and unfortunately,
Woodworms?
yeah, but like ginormous ones. They're like monsters, and like we're not allowed access because we've got the extermination monster fighters in that are curing it. But what we can do, we can go and look at it from afar. Just to keep you safe, because obviously, you know, I want to keep you safe and stuff like that.
From worms?
Yeah, from these ginormous worms, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's definitely owned. It's not made up at all in any way. And then, yeah, it'll give you the time of your life, and then, you know, you'll love it forever. Long time, $5.
That sounds great.
So, obviously on Zinder you're after a celebrity like myself, and I was just wondering what you've seen me in before, just, you know, so you know a bit about me.
Well, I thought I'd recognised you from the TV.
Well, maybe. Well, I was in the background of Top Gear once, but but what I'm famous for is motorcycles. I have a channel called Helmet Head, and I'm very, you know, I get a lot of like ladies.
Helmet Head?
Yeah, a lot of ladies contacting about my head. It happens quite a lot.
Oh. Oh, right. So I'm a lucky girl.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you smell that sort of strange smell? It's strange. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's got stronger as I move towards you.
Well, I put links on today. But I because I'm so famous, I wear this stuff called Brute. But I did have a good wash, and I washed around my bits and everything.
Oh, right, because I think it's sort of penetrated your skin, maybe. It smells quite strong.
Well, you always wear a nose peg.
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the.
I like that. That's definitely all yours.
Yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't at all say it's mine just, you know, to impress at all. This is completely all mine. We just can't go in, unfortunately. You know, big worms and all that. So I'm bringing my date to the most awesomest place for a picnic. Obviously, it's still part of the many lands that I own, so we've got it all to ourselves in perfect harmony. Are you super excited that you're here, ready for the perfect picnic ever? And of course, would you like to start with some bubbles?
Yeah, this is a romantic spot. I'm looking forward to some bubbles, so yeah.
And of course, no expense spared, the finest bubbles any woman could ever want.
Are you kidding?
It's bubbles, isn't it? It's beautiful. It tastes absolutely amazing. Red like stripe is known to be the best, so you should be grateful. Just saying. Nice, isn't it? Oh, it's bubbles. Just pop it. Shh. Perfect. Well, you know, after I've surprised her with bubbles, of course we've got to have the perfect picnic food next to this beautiful, stunning lake. And of course, if we're going to all posh like lords do, she has to have nothing but the best. That's for you. That is the best food in the entire world. It's just, that is as posh as you could possibly get.
I don't like pies.
What do you mean you don't like pies?
You haven't got any like salmon and cucumber sandwiches or something?
Well,
I don't like pie.
That's the best in the world, pie.
I don't like pies.
Well, what about chicken pie?
No.
No?
I don't like pie.
Steak and kidney pie?
No.
Pork pie?
I don't like pie.
Sausage roll? As close as we're going to get. Quiche? Oh no, okay. Any chance of a quick?
No.
No, not just a quick end of the date?
No.
Any chance of a second date?
If you bring some proper fizz and turn up on a Harley and have a bath.
Right, you don't like the smell of brute then?
No.
Well, okay. Alright then. Well, as always, giving you the true 11 out of 10 skills you need to go on the perfect date. But as always, we save the montage until last. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to give you an 11 out of 10 way of dating. Enjoy.
I want someone who can please me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover who never leaves me. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. I wanna keep this feeling forever and ever. I'm there when you need me, whenever.
How you doing?
Whenever. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. I wanna keep this feeling. I'm there when you need me. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. I want somebody who sees me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover to hold me through the seasons. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. I wanna keep this feeling forever and ever. I'm there when you need me, whenever. Keep this feeling forever and evermore.
Well, there you go. And I reckon that if you use those steps, that 11 out of 10 style, you'll be able to attract the lady of your dreams without any issues whatsoever at all. And of course, follow it by the book and you're in there. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate everybody coming along today. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button already for this channel, please do so. That bell button so you don't miss out on the next crazy episode. A thumbs up and a comment before you go. I just want to say a huge thank you to my lovely wife for being part of this video today. You know, it means the world to me that she wants to get involved and be part of the Helmet Head channel. And you know what? She's quite camera shy date, so it took a lot for her to do that. So again, I just absolutely love you to bits and appreciate that. I just want to say a massive thank you to my patrons as well. These guys every single month help this channel fund all the crazy adventures, all the kit and all the stuff that you see. If you're interested in getting to see the videos first, getting your names in the comment, becoming part of the exclusive patron team, then please click in the link in the description. Come along, support the channel and help us grow together. I really appreciate it. And if you're interested in any of the hoodies, the t-shirts, the helmet head merchandise, the shop's down there as well. There is a mug that's guaranteed to make everything taste a million times better. Not proven and actually really not guaranteed. But if you're interested in that, please go and click on that. Anyway, all I have to say now, the three most important things of life, the gospel of life. That's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. Take care. See you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.